So I got to ask this question. I keep getting email messages from someone. I never want to see them ever again. I'm tired of getting their emails. How can I stop their emails from coming in to my Gmail or my Google Workspace account? I'm going to show you what your two options are in this video. Let's say that the messages I get from Bard, I never want to see again, but they're not really spam. I can open that message. I go over here to the three dots and I say, filter messages like this. Fortunately, though, when I started this filter, it did it pretty decently. Grab the email address. Now I can hit create filter. And I go straight down to delete it. Now I can mark it as red if I want and delete it, or I don't have to mark it as red. That's the action you would take on a message that you don't want to get. You're tired of getting emails from that person, but they're really not spam. You just don't want the message. And when you create that filter, all future emails that you get from that email address, bard-noreply@google.com, all future emails will go straight to trash. Can't stop them, but I can send them straight to trash. In 30 days, they'll go away. So let me save this and show you where that is set up. So once I've done that, if I go to the sprocket, I go to see all settings, and I go to filters and blocked addresses. There it is right there. I have a filter that says match all emails from bard-noreply@Google and delete it. So that's where the filter is saved. So here's the second scenario. The messages I get are always spam. Every time I get an email from Bard, it is spam. So what I can do now is I go over here to the three dots and I can block Bard. Now I can report this individual message as spam. That's just going to throw this message into spam. But if I block Bard, look what that does. What this is going to do is say all future messages from Bard will be marked as spam. So when I hit block, now I have blocked this sender. So if I look at any message from that sender, it'll say I have blocked them. But more importantly, all messages from this point forward that come in from Bard will be sent directly to spam. Now, as long as you have this access, a quick, easy access to this message, you can unblock them if you want. But let me show you where this is saved. Go back to the sprocket, see all settings, click on filters and blocked addresses, and there it is right here. These are the email addresses that I have blocked, which would, again, what this means is every new message from this email address will be sent directly to spam. So I can unblock this from here, unblock, and cleared it all up. Again, you got to think through, are you wanting to get rid of email messages because you're just tired of seeing them, or are they spam? So you can make a decision, do I send those messages to the trash or do I send them to spam? And it makes a difference because if you're sending them to spam, you're telling Google that that person's a spammer. And if that's really not the case, then send them to trash instead of sending them to spam. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.